how you can sell your gift card without giving any commission to any other person. There is a way that you can sell it and you will not give 10% or 20% or 30% to any other person that is going to buy it from you. And with this website, once you go there, you will be able to sell it in black market rate. There is difference between black market rate and the international rate when you talk about dollars buying of a things. If international rate is 1,000, black market rate can be something of 1.5. So in this website, you will be able to sell in black market rate. I mean in black market rate. And before I introduce this app or this website to you, if you are watching this video from TikTok, please don't forget to follow us. Or if you are watching us from our Facebook page, please don't forget to follow us or like our Facebook page. If being on YouTube watching this video from, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And also drop your comment, like the video, so that other people that need this type of video will have access to it.
We are going to make use of Binance in this video. So if you don't have Binance on your phone or on that your system that you want to use to convert or to redeem that your gift card, if you don't have Binance, you need to get it. If you don't have it, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video so that once you touch it, it will direct you to where you can download it. After you have downloaded it, you register for it, you verify all the requirements, you make sure you verify it. Then after you have verified it, you take this step that I'm about to share with you. Then you can see here is my Binance app. You can see it here on my screen. So from here now, all you have to do is that you will go to this auction at this left top corner here where the arrow is pointing to. So you touch it, it will open something like this to you, just what you have been seeing on my screen here now. Then from here, you are going to touch on the more service. You are going to touch on more service, and here is where you can locate your more service, where the arrow is pointing to. Then from here like this now, after you have touched it, it will open something like this to you, just this menu again. Then from here, you are going to look for gift card. You are going to look for gift card from here, and you scroll it down. Once you take it down, you are going to see the gift card, and you can see it here. You can see it here, gift card. After you have touched it, like where the arrow is pointing to, after you have touched it, which is gift card, it will open another menu, just like this, what you have been seeing on my screen here now. So from here now, you can see many gift cards that are here. You can see it at the top, buy and sell crypto gift card. Then grow your business with Binance gift card. So in this auction here now, you can see your crypto passport. Then from there now, zero fee. In this place like this now, when you are going to redeem any gift card here, they are not going to charge you anything at all. It's just zero fee, and that is what you have been seeing here, zero fee. They are not going to charge you anything at all. So from here like this now, once you screw it down, when you take it down, you will see auction here. You will see this auction, token gift card. Send your favorite token to anyone. You can also send gift card from here to any place, any gift card at all that have been existing, any gift card that have been existing in this world, all of them are in this place. No matter how that gift card may be, all of them are in this place. If you want to see more, you can touch on this all. Then the other one you can touch here. So from here like this now, the little one that are in this on the screen here, you can see this one here showing USDT gift card. Then the other one BNB gift card. Then the other one here Doge gift card, BTC gift card, and many other ones, many gift card that you can purchase or redeem here. So from here now, in this menu here, what you are going to do from here is that you will come to this auction, you will touch on this redeem where the arrow is pointing to. So once you touch it, it will open another menu where you can redeem that your gift card, and you can see it after you have touched it, just like this will open to you in the menu. Enter the redemption code to redeem crypto or fraud to your account. Enter card number to check value and status. So from here now, you are going to enter where the arrow is pointing to, enter card number. You are going to touch it. So after you have touched it, a menu where you can set the code, the card, the serial number of that gift card. it will open to you. Just what you have been seeing here on the screen is 16 digits, which is gift card number, 16-digit card number. So you are going to type it here. You are going to type the 16-digit number in that, the 16-digit serial number in that your gift card. You are going to type it here. So right now I don't have a gift card with me here, but I'm going to type number, just 16-digit number here, just for you to confirm. After you set the number here, this option that is showing check here, it will change to yellow, and once it's changed to yellow, which means you have typed the 16-digit number here or above the 16-digit number, then after you have typed it, you touch on the check. This check here will change to yellow, and you touch it for you to verify if that card is valid or is invalid. To type the 16-digit number here now. So let me type it for you to see how it looks like. I'm just going to type any number in 16 digits just to make sure that the yellow check come up. So you can see it here like this now, that is showing the yellow check here. You can see it. You know, the first time when you have not set this number, it's just showing black check there, but after you have set the 16 digit, which is the serial number in that your gift card, it will now change to yellow, where you can touch on this check to check the value, the status, the state of that your card, if it's working or is invalid. Between the two, you just check it from here. So I'm going to touch on the check now, because you know I just set any number and it's going to show invalid. So let me just check it for you to see. After you have touched on the check, it will show please enter the correct gift card number. Invalid card number, please re-enter, which means the number that I inserted is invalid. But if your gift card number is correct, as you insert it and you touch on the check, it will just move you to the next option, to the next menu, where you can convert it to dollars, where you can convert it to dollars in this your Binance account. From there you can move that your dollars from this your Binance to your local bank account. So that is how you redeem your gift card in this Binance app.
If you are watching this video from TikTok, please don't forget to follow us, or if you are watching us from our Facebook page, please don't forget to follow us or like our Facebook page. If being on YouTube watching this video from, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also drop your comment, like the video, so that other people that need this type of video will have access to it.